Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will see about IP addressing. Don't worry if you don't know about IP addresses, IP addressing, and if you're totally new to this term, or you don't know, just you know the term and you don't know what it is exactly. After this video you won't be new to it, and you will be knowing that what is IP address, and why is it needed. This is part one of the IP addressing. I'm thinking to bring more parts to this topic, as it is a very important topic for networking. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. With IP address, I mean that it is an internet protocol address, and it is an address to any device which is using internet. Because when we have a device like a computer, then we have okay, drag it. We have computer, we have laptop, we have mobiles, we have desktop, we have in offices we have you know so many devices which is using these devices are connected with a network. Okay, and that's why this device and they are capable of using internet, and that's why they have the unique identifier. Because if it's a network, and every device should be uniquely identified. Okay, let's take an analogy that uh, why we have a home address, so that whenever somebody has to reach to your place with that unique address of yours, a place can be your home can be identified easily, and a person can reach over there. If some things have to be parcel, that can be done easily. Similarly, the IP address is a unique identifier, given a unique numerical identifier given to each assigned or given to each device which are connected with which are connected to network, and they are using the internet. Okay, using the internet protocol. That's why we have a IP address. Every device that you are going to use will have a unique identifier. So, why this is required, why IP address is needed, you will be able to understand that if some data we have to pass, because we are connected in a network, and in this digital era, we have to transfer data from one device to another device, whether we are doing WhatsApp, okay, when we are sending chats, or when we are sending photos, we are calling each other, or when we are doing a FaceTime, everything. So the device should have, like, which device you want to connect. So for that connection, you need a identifier which will help you understand why we have different mobile numbers. Because if you are not calling to correct number, you, or if you don't have mobile number, you won't be able to call to that particular person. That's why to send data, to deliver data, we need IP address. To send data, we need IP address. So why IP address is needed, you'll understand. Okay, so this answers our question that why we need IP address. Now, there is two types of IP addressing. IP types of IP addressing. We have IPv4, and then we have IPv6. So IPv6 has came into picture because now we are seeing that IPv4, most of the things are getting used. That's this most of the addresses you can say are getting used. That's why this IPv4 and IPv6 IPv6 have been introduced after IPv. So when we say IPv4, why is it V4? Because the IP address will be will be something like this. Okay, so we'll understand more about, we have four you can say dots. That's why IPv4. Similarly, in IPv6 we have six. So something like this. And why is it like this? I'll make you understand more in the next video. That's why I said that I will be bringing more series to it, so that we can understand this topic in depth. Okay, so we'll understand this. And this is one of the type. So this is the form where like in this way the IP addresses are assigned. There is a logic how we are going to assign the IP addresses. And there are two types of IP addressing that we use. So we'll understand more about this, how the logic works, everything in the next series, next video. Then comes there again there is public IP address, and there is private IP address. So what is public and what is private? Public is which is available on the internet publicly. You can access that IP address like okay. But private IP address is you cannot access it publicly on internet. So that is not accessible. So basically, when we use in an organization, when we work in an organization, those servers, those IPs we cannot access on internet freely. So this is one. This is also one of the what you get types of IPs. Um, then we have subnet also. Subnet is like from a bigger network. Like we have a network where we are using that network. Internet and everything. But subnet is like we have created a smaller network from that bigger network, and when that is specifically, for particular because if you suppose, so if first of all let's write that it is like a is a smaller network inside a bigger network. Okay, so subnet is like a smaller network inside a bigger network, and it's like when in an organization, also we belong to particular organization, but uh, there are many projects in any organization. So uh, every network is not we create a subnet, and then we in an we have multiple projects, then we will have multiple teams also. So there will be a subnets created inside which their own resources will be created. So it's like isolation, and it's not messing up with other resources. Okay, then we have gateway also. What is gateway? So gateway is like a main door. Okay, every traffic, everything. So it's like a main door where of the network, from where every traffic will go outside, or so it's like a main exit door from where every traffic of the network will go outside from there. So these are major things that we understood, that what is subnet, what is gateway, what is IP addresses. That's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.